Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to verify your identity on DoorDash driver app. Alright, so let's begin. If your account requires identity verification before you can start delivering, the process is quick and can be completed directly within the app. To begin, open the Dasher app and tap Start Dashing. If your account needs verification, a prompt will automatically appear asking you to verify your identity before continuing. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the verification process. The app will first ask you to confirm a photo, review the image shown on your screen, and if it looks correct, select the option to continue using that photo. The app will then process the information, which usually only takes a few moments. Next, you'll be asked to take a live selfie. Allow the Dasher app to access your device's camera if prompted. Position your face within the frame and follow the instructions displayed on the screen. After your selfie has been captured, the app will process the verification. Wait a few seconds while DoorDash checks the information. If everything matches successfully, you'll receive a confirmation message indicating that your identity has been verified. Once the verification is complete, you'll be able to continue using the Dasher app and start dashing as normal. And that's it. This is how you can verify your identity on DoorDash driver app. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.